Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to skip the introduction part, but my name is Lizzie. I did it again. But I'm going to be showing you all how to tie this very detailed trending Instagram gele. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please subscribe and share. And for returning subscribers, I really love you all so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made about 4 pleats before placing this gele on my head. I had to lose the 5th pleat because I discovered that if I had continued with it, my gele would really have looked small behind my head. And I really want this gele today to be a closed gele. So after placing the gele on your head, make sure that you trace your pleats down towards your neck area so that your gele really comes out nice and beautiful. So the rule for this particular gele today is 50-50. The both hands of your gele have to be equal. After bringing your gele towards the front of your head, all you have to do is to take one hand of your gele, twist it and place it under your arm so that your gele does not unravel while you make your pleats. So I'm just taking the other hand of my gele right now and I'm just going to make pleats with it. While making your pleats, you have to make sure that you make your pleats from the back of your head towards the middle of your head. Guys, this is very important. Just because you want your gele to really look nice and beautiful, you have to make this pleats from the back of your head towards the middle of your head. That way your gele really looks beautiful and your pleats will look very neat. So after doing that, take your gele and trace your pleats down towards the other side of your face. Because you want your gele to really look beautiful, you have to make sure that you trace your pleats down towards the other side of your face. Doing that, make sure that you twist your gele, take it towards the back and pin it. I'm going to pin this gele at the back of my head because I am the one tying this gele, and so that I really want my gele to stay firm on my head and so that it does not unravel. So I'm just taking the second hand of my gele right now and I'm going to make pleats. Guys, see, you really need to see what I just did. I took the second hand of my gele and placed it across the first hand of my gele. I did this because even if my pin loosens at the back, I am sure that my gele will not fall off because my hand is already on top the first hand of my gele. So I'm just going to make pleats. Just make sure that your pleats are really nice and beautiful. You have to place your pleats on top each other and not behind each other so that it stands and it really comes out beautiful. So in order for me to be able to pass the second hand of my gele to the front, I had to lose the first hand of my gele so that I would be able to pass the second hand of my gele towards the front. It is very important that you do this. So when you bring it towards the front, make sure that you tighten it so that your gele is firm on your head. So I'm just going to take the second hand of my gele and make a rose in front of my head. This gele is not difficult at all. It is very simple, and I really love this gele because you can do it for a bride and for a wedding guest, anybody at all it is that you're doing makeup or you want to tie your gele for. It is very easy and not difficult at all if you follow just these simple steps. So I'm just going to take my gele round and make sure that I trace my pleats properly and pin them together. So we still have our first hand of our gele. All I'm going to do next is to make pleats, take it towards the back of my head and pin it. It's very easy. Make pleats, take your gele towards the back of your head and pin it, and make sure that you pin properly so that your gele really comes out nice and beautiful. I love you all so much. Thank you guys for watching. This is what the back of your gele should look like. I really wanted this to be a closed gele, and that's why I'm pinning it. So if your hair is not well made, your gele would be able to cover it so that it doesn't show very much. So I love you all so much, and I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, and don't be shy to subscribe and share. I love you all so much, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.